Good morning, my Destiny Tribe. What's up? Today we just woke up and we had a banana here waiting for us. Look, the person we rent the apartment from left a banana here for us. The second one already, so kind of her, so nice. And for our breakfast we did this beautiful plate. Today we have a little bread there because we bought bread another day to make a vegan hot dog. Look how big is the cashew nut butter. Bam! Let's go. Mae Haad beach. Destiny girl wants to do some facial shoulder and back massage. Huh? Not bad, huh?
Mae Haad beach.
Okay, went off home to buy coconut for Destiny girl, and this is how our home here in Koh Phangan looks like, full of coconuts, palm trees and some fruits, bananas around. There's this small temple, Thai shrine, offering salutations for abundance. And yeah, let's enjoy our coconut. Kombucha. For who doesn't know what kombucha is, check the link to our blog. Nothing to make you feel better.
Thank you, baby.
This was in our motorcycle waiting for you.
Thank you very much. It's around like 2:33 p.m. and I use this time for editing, so you have a video on right now. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see it, but there is a little bit of a rainbow cloud going on. I love it. I'm lucky. Mike, shout out for you. Thai massage, facing the sea.
Cop restaurant as we came yesterday for dinner and it was delicious. Hey, pretty, did you decide what you want to eat? I want a massaman curry with tofu and vegetables. Massaman curry, fried cashew nut with vegetables and tofu. Salute.